Hey everyone, it's George Davis with Pro Build Homes here, and I am super excited to announce a new condominium community that we have available. I am in beautiful Paynesville Township, right off of Madison Avenue at the Tanner's Farms condominium. And we currently have 10 building lots available for you to choose from. And we will be building 2 and 3 bedroom ranch condominiums here. These are detached, so you have no neighbor attached to you. Beautiful, quiet, private street with cul-de-sac, not a lot of traffic. We have slabs and basements available, and I'm just really excited to show you some of that community today. So I thought I'd take you through a drive-through of this community so you can see how quiet and relaxed it is. You'll notice there's a lot of established landscaping, and you can see the character of the existing condos that are there. Some of those are attached, but all the ones we'll be offering are detached, no attached neighbors. But you can see it's a very nice community. The plan we'll be building here is our Zephyr Ranch plan, which is our best-selling ranch condominium plan. Comes with a 2-car attached garage. We have 2 or 3 bedrooms, a couple of different floor plan options, a 2-bedroom, a 2-bedroom with a den, and then also a 3-bedroom. We can offer that on a slab foundation, or we can upgrade to a full basement foundation. And we're excited to offer this to you. All the condos will come with a concrete patio in the back, obviously concrete driveway, 2-car garage, stone accents on the front, and we're just really excited about this. This was an opportunity that was presented to us, and as we drive through here, you'll see where the road sort of ends. That's where some of our units will be now, and then we will be extending that road later, and we'll have 12 more lots to build on. However, those 12 will be putting the roads in at today's prices rather than previous prices, so those will be more expensive. So your best opportunity is to purchase here in phase 1, where you can take advantage of lower pricing. Again, if you're interested, please call your ProBuilt salesperson today, because I don't expect these will last very long. Thank you.